Okay, guys, the next product from JOWUA I want to promote is this absolutely essential air pump. I have it in all of my Teslas, 4 Teslas. In each one of them you have it. You don't want to leave home without it. It's great. It comes with this absolutely adorable little suitcase. Look at this beautiful suitcase. And don't you love it? A little tiny suitcase. It comes in it, so with the beautiful JOWUA words. It comes with the instruction, English as well. Taiwanese, Chinese, whatever, as well, right here. So you keep it in case you don't know. And it comes with USB-C for charging, obviously. Has a little pocket over here. You put it in the pocket right here. And it comes with the main accessory, which is for tires. If you want to pump your tire, goes in here in the back. And this is here, right here, is the USB-C hole for charging it. It comes pretty much, I just opened it. I didn't even charge it. I just opened it. And it comes with all the other accessories for your bicycle, for your basketball, for your football, all kinds of accessories to pump anything that you would want. Now it's very simple. That in the middle, this button, you press and hold for a few seconds, it turns on and it gives you the PCI. Okay, this is 42, which what I use for my Tesla cars. And when you press and hold, and you press and hold again and you let go, and it gives you all the options. So right here, this is the plus and minus. You can raise the PCI if you want, whatever, 43, and then it locks, and then if you want to go down, couple numbers, no problem, 42, whatever it is, you press and hold, and then it locks. It just basically locks itself to whatever you want. And here at the top left, M, that's going to give you all the options. So now this is the car. I'm going to show you. Okay, here we go. Car. This is what? This is bicycle. Yeah, bicycle. Okay. No, this is a bicycle. And then the next one is a basketball, I believe. Yeah, basketball. See that? It's awesome. And then you can adjust the PCI however you want. Okay, so you leave it on car. You make sure you charge it. You leave it in your trunk on the corner of the little component in your trunk for the Tesla, and set it and forget it. This is essential. This is really great. You can get it at JOWUA. I'll give you a link. You get 5% off, and you can use my code TI and you get a discount. Okay.